Well, hello, folks. This is Wesley. Billion dollar version. Hello, with another video. I'm going to show you in this video live, okay, how to make up to $300 per day on the internet, okay? Basically just uploading images using free images on Google. I'm going to show you how you can easily start to make income by using this very cool website that I would just introduce to start to make money, okay? And if you wait to the very end of this video, guess what? Come here. I'm gonna do something nice for you, okay? I'm gonna hook you up. I'm gonna give you a cash out, and I'm gonna send out a Venmo to 5 people. If you share and like this video right now, okay? I will give 5 people a cash out, okay, and a Venmo. So, without further ado, listen. What I'm about to show you is for beginners. It's for people that are understanding to make money online. You have to have several streams of income. It's called passive income, okay? Like right now, I'm passively making money while I'm looking at the beach here, while I'm doing the video for you, big head. Why? Because I love you, okay? So this is what I want you to do. 1, get your laptop out. 2, pay close attention. 3, share and like the video, and you could potentially win some free money from me, because I like giving money, baby. Service leads to greatness. All right, so let me turn the camera around. Here we go. First step is to go to google.com. Now listen, this is working for a lot of people right now. I'm a part of a very private, exclusive group that I can't tell you what their group is, but I take their secrets and I give it to you. But I do get permission, and they say it's cool. All right, these people make more than $300 per day. But on this website, if you go to Google and you follow the directions that I'm going to show you in the video, they will pay you money every time you upload an image. And if someone look at that image, like you're looking at this image, Google here, like you're looking at my finger here, right? They're going to pay you money, okay? Remember, sub to the channel. Like the channel if you like the videos, if you like the energy. Let's go, right? So this is what you want to do first. Question for you: do you like dogs or cats? Okay, let's say today we like cats. Okay, cats, we like cats. Okay, you type in cats like this, and then what you want to do is you want to go to images. Okay, now follow me in the video and pay close attention. If I'm moving too fast, say, Wesley, you're moving too fast. If you want me to slow down, hit the like button 1,000,000 times. That let me know that you want me to slow down, okay? So if you look here, we have cats here. And what you want to do is you want to download these images. But you can't download all these images. You have to download images that gives you authority to download for commercial use only, okay? So what you want to do is go to settings here. Is everybody with me? Then you go down, go to tools, okay? And go to usage rights and type in commercial and other licensing, okay? Now all these images here, you're able to use to upload to this site that I'm going to show you in a second here, where you can start making money. Smash the like button if you can hear and see these images clear, because I don't want you to miss out on anything, okay? Because I'm going to show you how to start making some money right now, okay? Right now, not tomorrow, but right now. And like I said before, if you watch to the very end, I will give out cash apps and Venmos, okay? If you like and share the video, you need to comment below, say, Wesley, I shared. After the video, I will comment under your comment and say, hey, give me your cash app. I'm sending you money right now, okay? So everybody with me here. So what you want to do is you want to download about 10 images here, because these images is what's going to help you make money, okay? You're going to upload to the website that I'm going to give you, and you're going to start making money tonight, okay? It's really that simple. And let me show you the site here. Here we go. You want to go to clickasnap.com, okay? Clickasnap.com is basically, let's go to the front page here. It's basically the world's largest, okay? The world's largest free to use pay-per-view platform, image sharing platform on the planet right now, which basically means this: they're going to pay you money if you upload an image, and if someone view that image, they're going to pay you upwards to 15 cents per view, okay? See, it's 15 cents. It's free. I believe it's worldwide. Last time I checked, most countries can sign up for this website, and you can do this right now. 15 cents. And all you do is upload the images here, okay? Just from Google, get free images from Google, and I'll share some other sites as well in the description below, okay? Now listen, check it out. You may say, well, Wesley, is there other ways to upload the image to this website to guarantee someone will view it? Yeah, let me show you. So everybody with me so far? Yeah, somebody asked about copyright pictures. No, do not. So obviously you didn't listen from the beginning of this video, so I'm going to chastise you right now. I'm going to slap you in your face. I love you, but listen to the video. I told you in the beginning that if you go to google.com and you search for images, you have to make sure commercial and other licenses are selected. How do you do that? You go to tools, big head, right? See, you know, most people, the reason why they don't become rich and have views like this is because you don't freaking pay attention. Listen. Okay. Commercial licenses here, and you only want to download images that have those selected here. It'll filter for you, and you download these images, about 10 to 20 images, okay? And you go back to ClickSnap and you upload these images, and then when people view those images, you get paid in the process. Now, to get an edge on the competition here, you want to go to Marketplace, okay? Now pay attention, please. And listen, if you need to listen and watch this video again, do that. You might not get everything that you hear right now. You may not be able to comprehend everything right now that you hear right now, but just pay attention, okay? So these are called featured categories. Featured category is the most popular categories on the platform. So what you want to do is get 10 to 20 images of animals, 10 and 20 images of coastal, 10 and 20 images of nature, street photography, all here. You want to get 10 to 20 images and upload. Why? That gives you a highly more likelihood to get people to view your images on this website. Listen, single moms can do this. People that at home, work from home, people that don't want to work, you can do this. It does, listen, warning, work is involved. I'm not going to tell you that it is super easy, even though it is super easy to do, because all you do is just keep uploading images. The more images you upload, the more likely people will view your image. Upload cool looking images, right? But yes, work is involved. Yes, you can sit on your butt and do this, but you have to do work with your fingers. That's about it. Your fingers must do work, okay? You don't have to dig dishes. You don't have to walk around. You can sit in your bed, lay in your bed, butt naked, and you can do this all day, and they're gonna pay you 15 cents per view. Now, I get it. Some of you might be thinking, Wesley, that sounds cool. I love you. I'm gonna like this video. I'm gonna sub to your channel, but let me ask you a question. I'm not a technical person, right? And what if I do it wrong, right? So this is what I've created in the last 7 days. I've talked to the guys that I deal with who give me all these cool tips. And this is why I make $1 million per month, because I have different streams of income passively online. Listen, I said, is it possible if you can do that for 10 people per month? So picture this, 10 people right now that's watching this video. If you want me and my team to do this for you, which means this, we're gonna create the account for you. You're gonna create your account, give us your username and password, and we're gonna get the images for you. So instead of 20 images, we'll do about 100 to 200 images per account. And these images we know work because you have to have attractable images that people want. And these are people who are veterans, they do this every day. But the caveat is it's only 10 people, and he wanted me to pay him $1,000 to do this. That means he wants you to pay him $1,000. I said, well, people can't afford that, right? Especially new people, especially people who are brand new to the internet industry. Some people are not making money yet. So I said, can you bring it down? I negotiated because I'm a great negotiator, and I got him down to $99. So 10 people, listen, only 10 people per month will get this service from me. I will leave an email below. If you want it, just say, I want it, Wes. Email me at that email address. I will put the email address there after the video, or you can just comment below, I want this for $99. And listen, let me be very transparent. It doesn't guarantee that you're gonna make a ton of money, but it will create your account that it gives you the potential to make a ton of money fast, so you can be at the beach like Wesley Virgin from the top floors in Miami, Florida here. Make sense? So Never forget this. Millionaires always take action. If you ever want to be one, you have to take massive action. It's not $1,000, it's 99 bucks, and it's only 10 people per month that I will select right now to be a part of this in the email address below. And what I would do, I'm just going to you just say, Wesley, I want it for 99 bucks, and be serious. Don't wait. Don't waste my time, because if you waste my time, I might ban you, right? So if you're gonna email me, and I do check this box, if you want it for 99 bucks, only 10 people per month. If you're number 11, I will not reply to you. So if you don't get an email back, that means you're too late, and it's up to you. All right. So listen, if I gave you massive value here, I want you to do this. Go to my YouTube channel right now, since you're on my YouTube now, and go ahead and hit the like and share button if you got massive value. And I asked you guys, and I told you before, I'm gonna give you cash apps right now, and I'm gonna call out some cash apps right now during this video and after this video. If I comment under your video here, and here's my cash app, here's my channel here. So make sure you sub and like it. And listen, if you want me to help you, Wesley $1 billion version, to make money online, under this video, I have a link. It's called Online Help. In 45 to 60 days, if you pay attention and listen and have an open mind, I can show you how to make this money fast. But it does take work. But I am a mentor. I know how to educate people. I know how to teach people to make it fast. We're helping thousands of people every single day. I'm grateful for that, and I can help you. It's in the link below if you want that type of training. But if you want to wait till next year, you want to wait until you just get more poor or more average, or wait until you get more pain from the world, then do that. Hey, rock with me next year, okay? So what I want to do is, how many of you have already liked and shared this video right now? Just let me know so I can make sure I bless you with a cash app right now. I'm going to call out 5 people, but you have to comment below. I shared it. You can say, I love you, Wes. We're giving so much value here. This works. And I know some of you guys think, you say, well, this stuff it does, but you got to work. If you're lazy, it's not going to work. I promised my parents I wouldn't curse in this video, so I'm not going to curse. I'm trying to hold back. But listen, if you're lazy, if you think that you're just going to jump online and just do something and it works immediately, then you're not smart, okay? It takes time, it takes effort, you got to be consistent, and you will become a master. But all millionaires understand this: repetition is the mother of skill. Any skill that you're trying to build online or in anything in life, you have to do it over and over and over and over and over again until it works. Make sense? So don't email me and say, it don't work. I tried. I uploaded one image and nobody viewed my image. Well, so what? Okay? It's because you're not consistent. You got to build the skill. Okay? But if you want me to do it for you, just say, Wesley, do it for me for 99 bucks. And under your comment, I will leave the email. Understand, only 10 people will get in this. And after 10 people, it will be over for this month. And you can try next month, okay? And guys, if you want to know the type of money that you can make online, if you want that link in the description below, let me do a refresh on my account. I'm a very transparent black brother out of Houston, Texas. See that Monday, August 31st here? If you log in, pay attention. See that Wesley? This is my actual account. Please don't email me, because I'm not going to email you back. But I want to be transparent. I'm going to log into a live account. I have about 10 accounts just like this. And today we're at $2,300 for this particular company. 831 yesterday, 830 was $3,700. So it's like $100,000, like plus a month. I mean, this is easy money. And the great thing about it, I'm making this money passively, is because I'm helping other people like you make money, right? So if you want help, and the link in the description below, check it out. You don't have to click it, but if you do, it'll put you in a better situation than most people that don't take action. And the people that don't take action, they're just losers. It's just the truth. And remember, in life, you don't get what you want. You get what you picture. I mean, if you want life to be better, stop complaining, stop crying, stop whining about how life sucks. Stop being extra negative, and understand that you got to work, period. I'm sorry, I can make it easy for you, but you got to do the work. I can't do it for you, and I won't do it for you, but I will help you in the process. In the link below, it says online help. If you need help, I will help you. If you need help on Click a Snap, 10 people right now can have it. Number 11, you won't get it, but the first 10 people for 99 bucks will set up their account for you so you can have the opportunity to monetize. All right, Brittany, you won the money. Brittany, much love. I love you guys so much. This is Wesley, billion $1 billion version. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go.